Chapter 6. More on Internet. Introduction. Internet is like a big library. It has greatly influenced our society, government and commerce. You have already learnt many of the uses of Internet in previous classes like email, e-cards, chatting, downloading, online education, finding people, etc. Let us learn some of the uses and services available on the Internet. E-commerce. You know about the term commerce. It is involved with buying and selling a product. You can see commerce all around. It may take different forms. 3 different types of people are involved with commerce. These are producers, sellers, buyers. Commerce revolves around these categories of people. Producers are the people who produce different kinds of products or items and provide services. Sellers are the people who sell items or goods and give services to people. Buyers are the people who purchase items and services. For example, Amul produces Amul chocolate, which the shopkeeper in your neighborhood sells, and you buy it. So, Amul company is the producer, the shopkeeper is the seller, and you are the buyer. Electronic commerce or e-commerce means buying and selling any product online using the Internet technologies. Many companies have set up their website, which provide the facility to order and purchase their products and services. These websites, which provide e-commerce, are specially designed and have some extra features. There are 4 basic modes of e-commerce available at present. These are business to business, business to customer,
consumer to consumer,
digital middleman. Business to business refers to a company selling or buying products or services from other companies.
business to consumer, B2C. This refers to the transaction that takes place between a company and a consumer. The company establishes website for its products and services so that the customer can order any products or services and gather information about them. Consumer to consumer, C2C. There are many sites offering free classifieds and auctions where individuals can buy and sell. The eBay's auction service is a great example of C2C e-commerce where person-to-person, consumer-to-consumer transactions take place every day since 1995. Digital middle persons. This refers to a company that provides information about several companies on a single website. This company gathers information from other companies about the same type of products and services. A commission is charged for every sale or purchase by the company hosting the website.
Advantages of e-commerce. There are several advantages of e-commerce. Some of them are as follows. You do not need to go to showrooms or shops. You do not need to carry cash from home to shop with a fear of losing it. You do not need to search an item manually with the help of a salesperson. There are no geographical or time barriers. You can buy products from anywhere in the world. These websites, which provide e-commerce, are specially designed and have some extra features. Even small companies can go global. You do not need to travel to other countries for purchasing products. You can save time, money and effort. E-commerce payment system. An e-commerce payment system accepts electronic payment for online transactions. This is also known as Electronic Data Interchange (EDI). These online payment systems are used with Internet-based shopping and banking. There are different payment systems like traditional credit, debit and charge card. New technologies such as digital wallets, e-cash, mobile payment and e-checks are also getting popular with people. Another form of payment system used allows third-party companies like PayPal, to complete the online transaction for you. These companies are called Payment Service Providers, PSP. Over the years, credit cards have become one of the most common forms of payment for e-commerce transactions. But increased security measures, such as the use of the Card Verification Value, CVV, are required to detect any kind of fraud. A smart card is similar to a credit card that can transfer electronic cash to your card from your bank account, and you can then use your card at various retailers and on the internet. A popular smart card initiative is the Visa Smart Card. E-commerce sites and ethics. E-commerce sites are special sites with some extra security features. Trust is one of the key factors for these sites. Buying products through internet is very easy and simple, but you must not do it alone or without permission of your parents or elders. There are numerous companies which sell the products and services, but actually they are fraud. They may steal the credit card codes and PIN, and you may run up with huge bills on credit cards, while you might have purchased products for a few hundred rupees only.
So, you must be very careful while buying products online.
Some of the popular e-commerce sites are www.amazon.com, www.ebay.com, www.indiatimes.com.
How to do online shopping? Online shopping means buying products using internet.
You need an authorized e-commerce site and a debit or credit card for this purpose.
To do online shopping, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open any e-commerce website, for example, www.amazon.com, and sign in. If you do not have any account, create it. Step 2. Enter the product name in search box and click on Go button. A list of all available products will be displayed. Step 3. Double-click on the product you are interested in and view the details of the product. Step 4. Click on Add to Cart button. You see the products in your cart. Step 5. Click on Proceed to Checkout button. Step 6. A form appears. Enter your email address and password. Click Sign in using our Secure Server button. Step 7. Enter the shipping address and click Continue. Step 8. Select the payment options and enter your card's details. Online news. Most of the newspapers and news channels nowadays have an internet version. You can visit them online. So, using the internet, you can have access to newspapers and news channels from all over the world. Some websites providing online news are www.ndtv.com, www.hindustantimes.com, www.kidnews.com. Video conferencing. Video conferencing is one of the most exciting features of internet. Two people from different places can talk as if they are sitting in front of each other, seeing each other using video conferencing. Video conferencing is widely used in big companies, TV shows, chatting, etc. It provides face-to-face conversation with different people who are at different locations. News groups. There are different places on internet where you can exchange your views and ideas on internet subjects with other people. These places are called news groups. You can read messages posted by other people, reply to these messages, post questions regarding something, and so on. You can search news group of your interest using some search engines. Blogs. A blog is derived from term weblog. A blog is a type of website usually maintained by an individual. It contains regular entries of commentary, descriptions of events, or other materials such as graphics or videos. Blog also means to maintain or add contents to a blog. A typical blog combines text, images, and links to other blogs, web pages, and other media related to its topic. There are different types of blogs like personal blog, corporate blog, moblog, etc. The mostly used blog is personal blog. An important aspect of many blogs is the ability for readers to leave comments in an interactive format. The personal blog, an ongoing diary or commentary by an individual, is the traditional most common blog sites such as Twitter that allow bloggers to share thoughts and feelings instantaneously with friends and family and is much faster than emailing or writing. Advantages of blogging. Blogs allow you to share your ideas and views. The cost of blogging is very low. It may be the cheapest form of advertising. Blogs also allow you to speak directly to your customers. Blogs are a positive way of getting feedback as readers react to certain pieces of information, suggest story ideas, etc. Blogs build the profile of the writer, showcasing his/her talent and expertise. Blog make education demand-oriented and participant-centered.
There are several sites which provide blogging facility. Some of the popular blogging websites are www.wordpress.com, www.livejournal.com, www.blogger.com. How to create a blog? Step 1. Open any of the blogging website, for example, www.blogger.com, and fill the required details to sign in. If you do not have a Google account, create it. Your account window appears. Step 2. Click New Blog button. A new window appears. Step 3. Enter the title in the title box. Step 4. Enter the address in the address box. Note the following symbols. This indicates that the address you have entered is available. This indicates that the address you have entered is not available. Your address should be available, otherwise you cannot move forward. Step 5. Choose a template from Template. Step 6. Click Create Blog button. A new window appears. Step 7. Your blog is created. Click to create new post. A new window appears. Step 8. Type the text for the post in the text area. Step 9. Enter the post title in the post box and click Publish button. Type www.cordoviancomp.blogspot.in in the URL to view the blog you have posted.
Social networking. Social networking websites function like an online community of Internet users. They provide a virtual community in which the members with common interests in hobbies, religion or politics may communicate with each other. This socialization may include reading the profile pages of other members and possibly even contacting them. Some of the social networking sites are Facebook, Orkut, LinkedIn.
Let us discuss about Facebook. Facebook. Facebook is a social networking website launched on February 4, 2004. It is a free access website founded by Mark Zuckerberg when he was a student at Harvard University. This website currently has more than million active users worldwide. Users can join networks organized by city, workplace, school and region to connect and interact with other people. People can also add friends, send messages and update their personal profile to notify friends about themselves. Advantages of Facebook. Facebook keeps you informed when your friends update their profiles, add images or news to their blogs. You can add photos and photo albums to your Facebook profile. Search and browse for people on Facebook to make them your friend. You can upload songs and videos to your profile. You can chat with people in your friends list.
Global Positioning System. You have heard about satellites being launched and successfully placed into orbits to move around the Earth. Do you know that some of these satellites can tell you and your parents the exact location where you are with the help of advanced technology? Let us learn about the positioning system. A satellite-based navigation system made up of a network of satellites to transfer signal information or locate positions at any point on Earth is called Global Positioning System, GPS. A pocket-sized device called GPS receiver with the help of signals received from these satellites can tell its user the location or position at any moment. A mobile phone programmed with GPS phone tracker transforms a smartphone into a GPS tool to create a system that allows people to see where you are, what your speed is if traveling, and the time. The GPS is used in cars, boats, ships, airplanes, and cellular phones. For example, the base maps displayed on the GPS screen in your car gives you guidelines to travel in the right route. The service is available round the clock anywhere in the world and is not dependent on weather. Working of GPS using a smartphone. Let us learn how GPS works on a smartphone. Make sure that you are connected through internet. Step 1. Select this icon present at the bottom of the smartphone screen. A new screen appears. Step 2. Select Maps icon. A new screen appears. Step 3. Select icon in the search box. A new screen appears. Step 4. Enter the starting and destination point using virtual keyboard. A new screen appears showing the route. Step 5. Select this icon to start navigation. Listen to the voice that prompts you to begin the trip. Notice the arrow sign. It will move as you move through the route.